Product marketing, growth marketing, and product management. These are some of the most important roles in business, but what are they and how can they best be used to actually grow your business? I'm Yvonne from Visme, helping you design better for your business. Let's set the stage by clarifying the primary focus of each role. Product marketing. Product marketing is a role all about creating and communicating your product's value to the target audience. It answers the big questions like, why should someone care about this product? Why should someone know about the product right away? Growth marketing focuses on driving customer acquisition, engagement, and retention. Growth marketers work tirelessly to ensure the product doesn't just launch, it thrives. Now, product management. This role is the heart of the product itself. Product managers ensure the product is built to solve the right problems, evolve over time, and deliver value to users. Think of it this way. Product marketing is about the message and the value. Growth marketing is about the scale and the reach. Product management is about the vision and the execution. They all work synergistically within their specialized roles so that each part of the marketing process is executed at its full potential. But to break it down even further, what are the key responsibilities expected from these different roles? First, we have product marketing. Crafting messaging and positioning is a key responsibility of this role. Product marketers develop the narrative around why a product is valuable and unique. They also help the current and new audience understand how the product is evolving. Some questions they can answer are, what can people look forward to? What can they do with the product itself? And how can they get the most value out of their investment? Product marketers are also involved in product launches. They lead go-to-market strategies, making sure that each launch generates buzz and attracts the right audience. Again, establishing buy-in from people that engage with the content and how it relates to the product. They're also involved in sales enablement. From creating pitch decks to writing compelling case studies, they provide tools to help sales teams succeed. Product managers play an invaluable role in coordinating accuracy and authority of the product to client-facing team members. They're like the storytellers of your product, making sure people not only understand what it is, but that they want it. Then we have growth marketers. So they're a little bit different. Growth marketers help run campaigns. They run creative campaigns on platforms like social media, email, and search to bring in new users. These guys are masters of top and middle of the funnel marketing strategies that maximize the first few touch points with audience members. Growth marketers are also going to be your guys that optimize conversion funnels. They analyze where users drop off and tweak strategies to improve signups or purchases. This is where a growth marketer and product marketer can kind of work together to create the best experience for all the leads that are being brought into your community. Growth marketers also focus on retention strategies. This focus is about keeping existing users engaged with tactics like personalized emails, loyalty programs, and push notifications. These guys are like scientists and creatives rolled into one, constantly experimenting to find what resonates with your audience. Now we have product managers. These guys are defining roadmaps. Product managers prioritize features and set timelines for development based on customer needs and the market trends. Yes, these individuals are associated more with the technical aspects of the product, but they work very closely with product marketers to maintain consistency and accuracy throughout any client-facing communication. But it's not just product marketers that they collaborate with. Product managers collaborate with all your teams in your organization. They work closely with developers, designers, and other marketers to bring the product to life. Product managers are also going to be iterating on feedback. Once the product is live, they gather feedback from users to plan updates and improvements. This leads to greater trust within the current community of customers by showing that, hey, we hear you. Making your customers, clients, or users feel as if they're part of the development process will help create a subconscious sense of investment to stick around longer. For you, that's a good thing. That's exactly what you want because it's going to maximize lifetime value. If your product is the ship, the product manager is the captain, steering it in the right direction based on the ever-changing tides of the market. So let's take a closer look at how these roles complement one another. It's not just about each role doing their part and being in their own silo. It's about collaboration and alignment across your team. With product management, it all starts here. Product managers are the strategists who define what the product is going to be and what it should be moving forward. They conduct market research, talk to customers, and identify pain points. This ensures that the product is solving the right problems. Once the product concept is clear, the product marketing team steps in. They take the insights from the product management team and translate them into messaging and positioning that resonates with the target audience. They ensure that customers see the value that product management has built. And then we have growth marketers. They focus on how to get the product in front of the right people at the right time. They test different channels, campaigns, and creative strategies to scale the product's reach. Here's an example. Imagine your company is launching a fitness app. Product management designs the app's features like workout tracking or meal planning. Product marketing highlights the app's value, like save time and stay fit with personalized plans. Then growth marketing is going to use social media ads, influencers, and referral programs to attract and retain users. Without this seamless collaboration, there could be gaps in the customer experience, like a great product that no one knows about, or a campaign that fails to communicate what the product actually does and its strengths. Now let's answer the big question. Why do businesses need all three roles? To illustrate this, let's look at what happens when one of these roles is missing. Let's say we have no product marketing, right? You might have a fantastic product, but if customers don't understand why it's valuable or how it solves their problem, they'll move on to a competitor. Another example, let's say a tech company launches a groundbreaking gadget, but it fails to explain its unique features. Customers don't buy in because they don't get it. This goes without saying, but if you confuse them, you lose them. Now let's say you don't have any growth marketing. Even with great messaging and a well-built product, scaling becomes a challenge. The audience remains small, even though it might be a dedicated audience, and the product doesn't generate the revenue that it has potential to make. Now this is worst case scenario, but let's say you don't have any product management. Without a solid roadmap, the product may fall short of user expectations or become outdated. Customers are going to leave because the product doesn't improve or adapt over time. Each role relies on specific platforms and software to help them excel. Here's a quick breakdown. For growth marketers, they're going to be using tools like Google Analytics, tracking website traffic and user behavior, providing insights to optimize marketing campaigns. They can also use something like SEMrush. SEMrush is essential for SEO and keyword strategy, helping content rank higher and attract more users. Then you have something like Optimizely or VWO, tools for A/B testing different versions of ads, landing pages, or sign-up flows to maximize conversions. Growth marketers are also going to use different types of email marketing platforms, let's say MailChimp, Respana, or Klaviyo, used for automating user retention strategies like newsletters, drip campaigns, and special offers through outreach. Now, our product managers are going to have a little bit different tools. So let's say they use something like Jira for development. It's a must-have for tracking development tasks and managing agile workflows. Then they can use something like Trello or Asana, perfect for organizing roadmaps and cross-team collaboration. And also, personal favorite of mine, Figma, which is a powerful design and prototyping tool for testing features before development. Product managers are also nothing without user feedback platforms like User Testing or Hotjar. This helps product managers collect feedback to prioritize improvements. And product marketers get to put their hands on some other serious tools, one of them being HubSpot. HubSpot is ideal for managing campaigns, tracking leads, and nurturing customer relationships. Then they can use Google Slides or PowerPoint, using them to build sales enablement decks and product overviews. Then customer feedback platforms like Typeform or SurveyMonkey, these are going to be used for gathering insights to shape messaging and positioning directly from the feedback your audience gives you. And of course, you have Visme, the ultimate tool for creating professional marketing materials, from product launch presentations all the way to infographics. The beauty of Visme is that it works for all three roles. Whether you're building a roadmap, creating marketing visuals, or scaling campaigns, Visme helps you communicate ideas clearly and professionally. Product marketing, growth marketing, and product management are the driving forces behind successful products. Product management ensures the product is viable. Product marketing communicates that value, and growth marketing ensures it reaches the right people at scale. And with the right tools like Visme, you can empower teams to work seamlessly together to take your business to the next level. You can try today with the link down below and comment to let us know what we should talk about next. I'm Ivan from Visme, helping you design better for your business.